Break ID number 1489. 2017 Plates and Patches Football, $3 break. So this one does have one filler, good for 3 spots, which will actually double to 6 spots once we assign the free spots for the buy one, get one free. So here's the first filler. Well, here's the filler. David, Derek, Joseph, Kevin, Richard, and Russell. Go for 3 spots. Derek, M.A. All right, so here's the alphabetical list. Only one left in Pantheon football plus fillers. And go. And there you go. Okay. 1 auto, 1 of 1, 1 memorabilia, 1 parallel per box on average. Carl Eller to 75. Plate. Patrick Peterson, yellow printing plate. To Arizona. Derek, M.A. Carlos Henderson, quad relic to 75. Denver. Daniel, W.O. Don't count on it. Nice. Vet Auto on card. Old school. Jack Youngblood. That is a green parallel to 25. 19 of 25. Jack Youngblood. To the Rams. Gary W.I. Phil Rivers to 25. Still a half case break of this up there too. Kelvin Benjamin to 50. Tyrod Taylor to 99. Joe Hayden. Black plate to Cleveland. Richard Richard O. David Njoku quad relic to 75. Also Cleveland. Richard O. And a redemption. Plates and patches, upper echelon green, Zay Jones. So that's going to Buffalo, but let's see what's up with upper echelon green. Card number 1. Green is to 25. So the regular set is 99, blue is 50, green is 25, and then 10 and 1. So Buffalo, David, ED. All right, last box. Steve Largent to 25. Adam Thielen to 99. Ted Hendricks, yellow plate to Oakland, Steve L.U. Phil Simms, dual patch to 50. To the Giants. Derek, M.A. And last card, Jumbo Jersey Auto, Samaje Perine. 9 of 99. To Washington. Andrew GR. All right. So, 8 left. 8 of you on Facebook, 7 of you on YouTube. 8 left in the other plates and patches, which is a half case, 6 boxes, plus fillers.